Hello guys, the Ulefone Armor 29 Pro is a new rugged smartphone built for extreme conditions, meaning it's completely water, dust and shock resistant. It has a large 6.67-inch AMOLED display at the front, 120Hz refresh rate, additional 1.4-inch rear AMOLED display for notifications and quick controls. The main advantage is huge 21,200 mAh battery with 120-watt fast charging and the option to reverse charge other devices. The rear LED flashlight reaches a powerful of up to 1000 lumen, and there is also special warning lights for the emergency situations. For photography, there is a triple camera, 64MP 9 camera with the infrared sensor, 50MP ultra-wide macro camera and a 50MP night camera and a 50MP high-detail selfie camera. There is also a special model, Armor 29 Pro Thermal Vision, that comes with a professional thermal camera instead of one of the cameras, which makes it ideal for working in technical and industrial conditions. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 with up to 32GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage, expandable via microSD card. It runs on Android 15 and additionally offers a uSmart connector for additional tools such as a microscope or endoscope. All this comes in a massive case, which makes it extremely durable and resistant. You can find the Armor 29 Pro version in the sale link below this video.